100. Light another one, I stay flooded. Text 10 dimes, yeah, I kept it 100. You know another night's coming.
What up, Saints Nation? It's your boy SayntpFazhion, the Sprout Fashion. I'm back at it again. First, start the video with a like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell right there. That lets know when I upload a new video. First, start, you know what I'm channel. First, start the video. Let's get to the news. I did a review on what my channel is about. Leave it down below. I did a review on which brand is better, Nike or Adidas. Leave that down below. And I also leave my merch down below. So guys, I know I'm supposed to be in a minute. I've been dealing with some tooth pain. You can hear it in my voice. Let's bring you guys this video. I'm gonna bring you guys a cooking video. Then I'm gonna bring you guys a cooking video. So just be patient with me. Let's talk for a little bit. So guys, this is Wednesday today. Bring you guys a video. I'm bringing out the video in a minute. This is what I'm wearing. My Made in Parade shirt. My jeans from H&M. Obviously, you see my Adidas slides. So that's it. Tooth pain hurts. I just want to bring you guys a video. Because I now have other videos to look. So you guys, let me check out my t-shirt and sneaker rotation video 4s. Go check that out on my channel. That's pretty fire. People like that shit I posted for that movie It. You guys see that movie? I haven't seen it either, but I got the shirt, pretty dope. So you guys check that video and go check it out. I had to bring us this video here. Just bring out a video, updated video. I'm doing a video in a minute. So guys, like I said, if you haven't checked out my cooking video, go check that out. That should be fire. That should be flame. Go check that out. Go check it out. I'll bring out a video. So guys, this is what I cooked. Mashed potato, but it didn't come out properly. So guys, I'll show you what I've been taking for my pain. See guys, I've been taking soup, only soup and soup. I've been taking soup, and tea and mashed potato. And this is the mashed potato. This is one from Smart and Final. You guys can see it. That's my Smart and Final mashed potato. And these are the ingredients on it. You gotta know how to make this properly. If not, you're gonna mess it up like I did. I'm taking soup. As you can see, soup. And in my fridge, see guys, see? I'm taking some applesauce. Taking some applesauce. This is, yeah. And some citrus punch. So yeah, citrus punch. Yeah, I'm taking those. Help me with the pain, because I'm in a lot of pain right now. Because I said that's what brings us this video. So guys, stay tuned for that cooking video. Stay tuned for that. I'm just chilling right now. Just being as real as you guys know. Basketball game going on right now. I'm watching is the Pelicans and the Minnesota Timberwolves. And next gonna be the Lakers and the Portland Trail Blazers. That's my team. Go Lakers, 3 in a row. Let's get it. I know people are talking about they're not really a LeBron fan. Look, for me it doesn't. I don't really care. Hopefully he does what he's doing in this city. Bring us some championships. So let me know what you think about that. So guys, let me just step back in this position. Start bringing us. I'm doing freestyle. No, guys, I know anything about that. I'll be back. I want to give you guys a cooking video, so I'll be back for that. So just stay tuned. Stay tuned. So guys, let me know what you see on my channel. If you're just tuning in, it's your boy SayntpFazhion, the SayntpFazhion. I'm back at it again. I do a sneaker review. I do a cologne review on the channel, which is then I also do unboxing from eBay, Ross, Macy's, Walmart, and JJ Bar. You can set out on this channel and thumb up the video. 50 likes, guys. Thumb it up. Let's know rock with your boy SayntpFazhion. More videos coming daily. Remember, I just know I'm just tuning in. I have a toothache, so that should be. So that toothache is paining. I just showed you guys what I've been taking. I've been doing a lot of juice, citrus punch, Gatorade, some applesauce, and mashed potatoes, and some soup. So yeah, let me know what you think about that. Leave a comment down below. Let's get into the video of me cooking. Alright guys, I'll be back. Peace. So guys, this is me just cooking right now. I'll show you what I'm cooking on right now. It's me cooking. What do you guys think about what I'm cooking, guys? I'm also on the thing too, so guys, I'm cooking also, so guys, I'm just doing this while you guys are watching me. I don't know what's going on, but anyways, hope you can see me. This is me. I'm on the video. Okay, guys, back to this. I'm doing this live. I'm doing it here too. And this is how it looks when you're cooking. So guys, this is what you gotta do. Oh, anyways, alright guys, I'll be back. It's your boy. You're watching this. It's your boy, SayntpFazhion. The SayntpFazhion Zone. Signing out. Peace. Yeah, I'm back. If you guys like that cooking video, leave your thumbs up. Leave your comment down below. Let me know rock with your boy, SayntpFazhion. And shout out to my girl, by the way, that's been nursing me back to health. She's the one that got me all the applesauce, all the soups and all that. actually got the oral gel I'm gonna use on my gum too, cause you know when that's why you gotta look around. Smart & Final has it for $5. CVS has it for 10, which is gonna be 11, 12, 13. But you go to Smart & Final, you're gonna pay $5.99, and that's not bad. That's not bad at all for some oral gel. So guys, if you have any tooth pain, but suggestion, take care of your tooth pain right away when it hurts. You just gotta get insurance. Mine don't kick in for a while. I'm like, why am I gonna wait the next year? And this pain is too much to bear. So guys, I just had to bring you guys this video. Thanks for rocking with your boy SayntpFazhion. Shout out to my girl, by the way. Shout out to my girl, the real MVP. Shout out to me and my kicks. Shout out to Ultimate YouTube, PM Kicks, OG Kicks, Mr. Skinny. Shout out to all the sneaker YouTubers. Thanks for rocking with your boy. And shout out to the Retro with Skid. And what's going on with the vintage? The vintage watching this, hit me up. Alright guys, it's me your boy, SayntpFazhion. The Smart & Fashion line, I'm signing out. Peace.